Hi, I'm Varsha and you're watching this video from justtutors.com, and in this video we are going to learn about polynomials, and in polynomials we are going to learn about how to find zeros of a polynomial. But before moving to our today's topic, we'll try some warm-up questions. Here are the questions for you. To try these questions, you can pause the video. So basically in this question you need to find the degree of the given polynomials. So to find the degree we need to find the exponents, the sum of the exponents first. So that would be 3 add 2, which is 5, 9 add 4, which is 13, and that would be 0. So the degree of the polynomial is 13, and we can say that it's 13th degree trinomial. And in the next it is here at x to the power 9, so it's 9 here and it's 8 here. Which one is the highest? 9 is the highest, so the degree of the polynomial is 9. Now we move ahead and we're going to learn about the zeros. But before finding the zeros, we're going to learn about how to find the value of a polynomial for a given value of a variable. Since we are talking about a polynomial having x as a variable, so we are being given that the value of x. So if we need to find x is 1, then what would be the value of the polynomial? So consider the polynomial. Wherever the x is there in the polynomial, we put the 1. So we can write it as 5 1 raised to the power 3 minus 2 1 raised to the power 2 plus 3 1 minus 2. So that would be 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. So 5 times 1 is 5 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2. So that would be 8 minus 4. So the answer is 4. Similarly, if somebody asks you what would be the value of the polynomial at x equals to 0, so you can put the 0 in place of x and you will get the value as minus 2. Now we can find the value of the given polynomial at minus 1. So that would be 5 minus 1 whole cube minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 1 minus 2. So that would be minus 5 minus 2 minus 3 and minus 2. So that would be minus 12. So the answer is minus 12 over here. Similarly, you can find it for x raised to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 2 plus 3 2 here minus 2. So that would be 5 times 8, which is 40, minus 2 times 4, which is 8, plus 3 times 2, which is 6, minus 2. So that would be 36. Similarly, you can find the value of p at minus 2 as well. So now we move ahead and we're going to learn about now how to find the zero of a polynomial. So consider the given polynomial, and to find the zeros of the polynomial, we'll start from the 0, then from 1, then minus 1, and so on. So first of all, we put an x as 0, so that would be 2. So that means it is not equals to 0, so we cannot say that x equals 0 is a 0 for polynomial. Now we put x as 1, so we get the value as 5 times 1, which is 5, 4 times 1, which is minus 4, 3 here, and it is 2 here. So that would be 10 minus 4, 6, which is not equals to 0. So we can say that x equals to 1 is not a 0 of a polynomial. Now we plug in x as minus 1. So in that case, we'll get the 0. So we can say that x equals to minus 1 is 0 of a polynomial. Or we can say x plus 1 is a factor of the polynomial. Now you need to verify whether x equals to 1 is a 0 of a polynomial or not. So for that, this is the polynomial which says 5 1 raised to the power 4 minus 4 1 raised to the power 2 plus 3 times by 1 minus 4, which is equals to 5 minus 4 plus 3 minus 4. So that would be 8. Take away 8, so that would be 0. So we can say that x equals to 1 is a 0 of a polynomial, and x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial. Now we move ahead. Here are some practice questions for you. To try these questions, you can pause the video. So here are the answers for these questions. You can match the answers and you can pat your back as you're working really good in finding the zeros of the polynomial and finding the different values of the polynomial at the given values. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.